I'm sorry I can't be with you today, but I appreciate the opportunity to address the NRA's celebration of American values by videotape. Let me speak very directly and candidly about where I stand. I support the Second Amendment as one of the most basic and fundamental rights of every American. It's essential to our functioning as a free society, as are all the liberties enumerated in the Bill of Rights. I've been proud to have the support of pro-Second Amendment and sportsmen's groups in my previous runs for public office. I'd be proud to have your support again as I campaign for president. Now, as governor, I worked closely with the NRA and the Gun Owners Action League to advance legislation that expanded the rights of gun owners in my state. And my door was always open to you, and that will continue to be the case if I'm elected president. Together, we reduced burdensome bureaucratic regulations. We made it easier for people to exercise their constitutional rights. As president, I'll honor the right of decent, law-abiding citizens to own and use firearms in defense of their families and property and for all other lawful purposes, including the common defense. And I'll ask Congress to repeal the McCain-Feingold law, which sought to impose restrictions on the First Amendment rights of groups like the NRA to advocate for issues we care about. Some parts have already been declared unconstitutional. We ought to get rid of the entire bill. Finally, let me say that one of the most active fronts in the fight to preserve our Second Amendment rights today is being waged in the courts. Lawsuits have been filed seeking to take away the individual's right to bear arms. We have to look no further than the Parker case. I hope the Roberts Court takes the Parker case and upholds the Bill of Rights to protect gun owners everywhere.